Okay. Yes, I think the robots uh, have good things about things because could help for the activities in the work, but no more because the robots no broke rules and mm, could um, um, go away or go out the human resource. I think the technology um, have mm, also the robots good things about things. Currently, the world needs the things the way fast, and uh, the fact that technology no give um, actualizations or documents or softwares or whatever the way fast um, make the many stress for the people. So on the other hand, sorry, mm, help for things or activities do or make stress because in any moment could uh, fall, and so no no always help for the people or activities.